What's your name?
Sonny. You know, I've been living here almost 6 months now. It's funny I've never met you before.
Oh, well, I work a lot.
I know. You're the cop who lives upstairs.
That's right.
Mind if I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
What does a girl have to do to go to bed with you?
Try knocking on the door? Hi.
Do you always live in the dark?
Well, you meet a better class of people in the dark sometimes. Come on in. Sit down. Yeah.
Harry, this is Briggs. Are you alone?
No, as a matter of fact, I'm entertaining a young lady friend.
Well, put your pants back on, Callahan, and come down to the city morgue as fast as you can.
The morgue? What the hell for, Briggs? I'm not on homicide anymore. I'm a stakeout man now, remember?
Not anymore, Callahan. You and your partner are back on homicide.